Zwelinzima Vavi, a well-known trade unionist in South Africa, recently openly urged former President Jacob Zuma to file a lawsuit against former President Thabo Mbeki due to claims that Mbeki was a spy. Vavi underlined that it is reckless to make charges without supporting documentation and that such grave allegations need to be investigated by the courts. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell so as to get all our updates. Tensions within the African National Congress, ANC, have been rekindled by Zuma's claims that Mbeki had been an informant during the apartheid period. Known for his vocal support of political accountability, Vavi challenged Zuma to provide hard proof in a court of law if his accusations are true. He emphasized that spreading unsubstantiated assertions compromises both the memory of South Africa's liberation struggle and the integrity of its democratic institutions. Vavi has already faced challenges related to spurious espionage charges. A study he called a total fabrication, which he made public in 2013, indicated that his expulsion from the Congress of South African Trade Unions, COSATU, was due to political reasons. Vavi's unwavering position emphasizes how damaging unfounded accusations are to individual reputations and corporate cohesion. Such allegations have escalated internal conflicts within the ANC in the past, causing divides and a damaged public image. In order to resolve these problems openly and guarantee that any charges be carefully considered by the legal system, Vavi has called for legal action. This strategy aims to protect the values of justice and accountability while discouraging the culture of rumors. It will be interesting to watch whether Zuma would accept Vavi's challenge and take the case to court as matters develop. The result may establish a standard for how public leaders handle internal conflicts and accusations, which might promote a more open and responsible political climate in South Africa. Once more, the National Assembly named MK Party parliamentary leader John Hlophe to the Judicial Service Commission, JSC, a decision that has rocked South Africa's political and judicial systems. This judgment is especially controversial since it was made only months after Hlophe was removed from office as the judge president of the Western Cape due to serious misbehavior. In 2008, Hlophe was accused of trying to influence the judges of the Constitutional Court in a case involving former President Jacob Zuma, which led to his impeachment. Hlophe moved into politics after being sworn in as an MK Party Member of Parliament, despite these grave accusations and his subsequent dismissal from the court. A flurry of discussion and worry has been sparked by his new appointment to the JSC, the same committee that had suggested his impeachment. Appointing an impeached judge to the JSC, according to critics, compromises the legitimacy and integrity of South Africa's legal system. According to the Democratic Alliance, DA, who have been outspoken in their opposition, it is neither reasonable nor rational to elect Dr. Hlophe as a representative of the National Assembly on the Judicial Service Commission. They argue that his inclusion on the panel would result in possible conflicts of interest and damage the public's confidence in the legal system. However, proponents insist that Hlophe was appointed in accordance with accepted legislative norms. The African National Congress, ANC, stressed that an impeached person may serve on the JSC without facing any legal obstacles, implying that such appointments are still enforceable until legislative action. In support of their nomination, the MK Party said that Hlophe would be a useful addition to the commission due to his experience and legal knowledge. In addition to raising legal issues, this development has spurred a larger discussion about the moral and ethical ramifications of such appointments. Judges Matter and other civil society groups have voiced their grave concerns, saying that the ruling undermines the credibility of the JSC and the integrity of the judiciary. To avoid such disputes in the future, they support more stringent standards and a code of behavior for commissioners. As South Africa struggles with this controversial nomination, concerns are raised about the standards maintained in the country's democratic institutions and the message it conveys about responsibility. The case emphasizes the intricate relationship between judicial monitoring and government, as well as the fine line that separates legal processes from moral concerns. The ancient saying, "Age is just a number," appears to apply to the present political rivalry between Dalim Pofu and Juliusmalema in South Africa. The Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, 43-year-old leader, and the glaring age divide between